Amid long-standing concerns about crime and public safety, a growing number of returning residents and internationals are still choosing to make Jamaica their home. And while many admit those fears initially made them hesitant about relocating, they say their lived experiences have been far different from the perception often portrayed abroad. Anthony Lugg has been speaking with some of them at the Tropex Investor Conference.
The Tropex Conference brought together investors, developers, entrepreneurs, and new residents now calling Jamaica home. And while discussions focused heavily on real estate and investment opportunities, another theme emerged: Jamaica's changing appeal internationally.
I have a 12-year-old, so it's been amazing for him. He acclimated really well. The community support from the school has been excellent, which was something I feel like was lacking when we were in California. As far as me, I've been a little bit different because I work from home, so I've been inside a lot. However, this was one of the first experiences that I've had where I'm interacting with a lot of the diaspora community, and this has been very enriching.
For many years, Jamaica's international story was dominated by outward migration. Thousands left seeking economic stability abroad, while concerns surrounding crime and public safety discouraged others from returning permanently. For years, the issue of crime has long been a fear for a lot of people traveling to Jamaica. But it appears those fears are easing. Some people we spoke with say they feel safer in Jamaica.
And I realized that a lot of the perception we get in the U.S. and, UK, wherever, is bad news travels faster than good news. And so we're going to get the bad stuff versus the good stuff.
I find that having good manners, hello, hi, how are you, and people they respect you back and they look up to you.
But while many praise the quality of life they found in Jamaica, they also acknowledge the country still faces issues requiring urgent attention.
If I get sick here, then that's another big problem. So the whole medical situation here, unless you have money to fund that, you're going to find yourself in some serious problems.
I had a baby here at Sav Hospital, public hospital, which everybody was like, you might want to drive to Montego Bay or whatever, but they actually saved my life. So I'm like, I have nothing but good to say about the health system here. Now, granted, of course, some things can improve. So like when I went to the clinic, the wait time and things like that. But as far as the actual care, I've been good.
The conversations come as Jamaica continues to position itself as an investment and lifestyle destination within the region, even while balancing long-standing social and economic challenges. For many attending the Tropex Investor Conference, the island's future potential remains stronger than the perception that once defined it.
I definitely see the effort and the discussions that are taking place and the initiatives and the legislation coming forth. And I think ultimately it takes time, but we're on the right track.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Now, coming up later in this newscast, Trump to hold a meeting to discuss agreement to extend ceasefire with Iran. Stay with us. We'll be right back.